ជំរាបសួរតារៀនខ្មែរជាមួយនុត episode 2 so I continue to take the Khmer vowels consonant and food so start from I for this episode I will take 5 consonant and 5 vowels and consonant also 5 food. So I will teach you like that. Maybe easy you remember and we pronounce. And then when we combine, I will write down and make the example for you. Okay, let's start from letter the first. Sorry, is ព្យញ្ជនៈព្យញ្ជនៈ is consonant ព្យញ្ជនៈ ក consonant ក is called ក ក ก and the representative of the alphabet K is K. In this K, right? K, but Khmer K, K, K. So you can listen the sound K and K is different. But I just make the alphabet you to know we use the alphabet K. But the sound still the sound K. K. Letter letter K, right? K, but K is the sound of this one. K, K. Yes, the sound K is this one. K. But for K and K is different. But English have only one, right? Only K, the sound K. But Khmer, we have the sound K is more K, like have the H, yeah, K, K. And this one, go, po. This, yes, A group and B group. But the represent of alphabet is the same. K and KH. This K. This is KH. Ko. Go. And the last one is ngo. Ngo. Ngo is NG. The alphabet is NG. Ngo. Ng, like ngo. And for vowel, this vowel we call a. The second one, a. Third one, I. For a. The last one, again, a, I, and the sounds the same, but just the is the short one, is the long one. This is I. You can see my mouse. Big one. I. Nè, qua đây we use all the soft. And for we use with the A group consonant, right? So is có become cà, có cà, có kẹ, có cấy, có cỡ, có cờ. We follow the vowel sound, but the sound consonant we use the the representative of consonant cò, số cò á, cà, cò ẹ, kẹ. We follow the sound of vowel. Cà, kẹ, cầy, cợ, cờ. For letter K, khó, có, kho. It's different sound, right? Có, kho, kho. So it's come ka, kẹ, khầy, khợ, khờ. You see different or I use this one ca. Is I use this one kha, cá, kha, right? Kẹ, khẹ, cấy, khẩy, cợ, khợ, cờ, khờ. Ko and ko is different sound. So when we combine the vowel, we will hear the different sound also. But I don't know how about your ear can understand the sound ko and ko is different or not. But for us, ko is ko, ko is call. It's different one. Okay. And next is the B group. So B group, go, right? So when we use big A, it's not anymore A. It's the same sound A. It's no meaning of the the separate group. So the A not become A, it's become ear. So you have remember the sound vowel ear, e, u, u. You see, is have two also. Again, ear, ear, e, 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 u, 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 u. So for e and e is almost the same, just short and long. E, e. This also u is short and u is long. So when we combine the consonant go, we this oral is become, you can say kia, kia, ki, ki, cự, cừ, kia, ki, kỳ, cự, cừ. This is letter ko, right? After letter ko is letter ko, ko. So the same sound of group B consonant. So the sound vowel the same e. So ko, kia, ki, ki, ku, ku, kia, ki, ku. The last consonant ngo. So ngo. So the vowels, the sound group B is nghĩa, nghị, nghi, ngự, ngừ, nghĩa, nghị, nghi, ngự, ngừ. 難しいですね、多分。nghĩa, nghị, nghi, ngự, ngừ. We use the throat. Nghĩa, nghĩa, ngô, ngô. Then nghĩa. 家の sound ですね。nghĩa, nghị, nghi, ngự, ngừ. Okay, so after finish consonant and OL 5, we continue to the what? The food. chương. Yeah, ជើង So for ko 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 ngo ngo also have five food, right? Ko is have ko food, ko is have ko food, go is have go food, ko is have ko food, ngo is have ngo food. So you have to remember the food of the continent also. For what? Yeah, it's important. Like an example last um episode like ខ្ញុំ I ខ្ញុំ not just consonant and vowel. We use the nyo nyo food. So it's important also. You have to remember. So then I will writing down. Okay, this old video. I just continue. Issue. You remember the old video phrase? Now I learn Khmer language. You remember it? ឥឡូវខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាខ្មែរចាឥឡូវខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាខ្មែរ Now I learn English language សុំទោស Now I learn Khmer language ឥឡូវខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាខ្មែរ So yeah អញ្ចឹងយើងរៀនជញ្ជាក់ក plus 5 vowel right so first is letter ក so you can use the ក this here or ក this here up to you straight or curly like worry like that up to you and then you use the five consonant right five vowel a e I sorry how to put together I feeling my word is not beautiful sorry a e I okay five vowel so I use this here sorry close ca it's called ca có and that's right kẹ có that's right cây có that's right cờ có that's right cờ it's up to you if you use this here cá kẹ cây cờ cờ sorry maybe of what writing in some in computer is make my word more not beautiful so you can see if we write in the computer we come like that cò right cá kẹ cây cờ cờ and this also many phong I just for share you the phong this one like that or many phong like this and like this you see but the normal we use is the phong this phong for computer ការកែកែកក this font is normal use this font is for the title like big banner like that very difficult yes ការកែកែកក so for your basic level you can you have to read the this font normally you have to remember this font is better ការកែកែកក okay so for call it's the same ខាខែខៃខខ so for writing writing I have to delete this first so the call already right and then call okay so call ខាខែខៃខខ oh sorry I confuse k and k and k is cycle k is the chopstick to k so next consonant is go right the consonant group B go go and go is similar go is like that go we have this one and the hair is the same up to you you can use this hair or straight hair the same go but letter go and co the different one is this part you have to remember it go and go is group A go is group B so for go um, kia ki sorry ki ki cứ 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 okay so have to delete because no space next one is call again call okay only two time call so call is not good balance like this and this have to this the same but this you can long and this short not good balance you have to think about balance like our body uh the body if we fat together if we slim we to slim together is the body so we cannot this one small and this one big like the hair big and the leg the in front like the up is um big and the small and the down side is long it's not good not beautiful body so when you writing you have to think about that also so have to think about balance of the word co so co kia no kia ki ki คือ okay เคีย ki คือ the last consonant is ngo ngo the balance of the word like go with this right ngo this the balance become like that not 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 like this no it's it's not the ngo we have to this up okay this is the right the good one this is not good okay ngo so ngo nghĩa we up like that nghĩ nghị sorry nghị first nghị nghĩ nghĩ ngự and the last one ngừ not beautiful you see this one is not good ngừ yes ngừ nghi nghị nghi ngự ngừ okay okay so for the food có the food is no hair so it's easy if you remember có the food có is also you can remember because the food no hair and small one the food the food có the food có and có is big that the food is small so có the same but just small and big sorry có okay go is the same có something go okay go and co the food co like this oh my god I'm not good it's small one so I okay it's not beautiful this one okay like that co and ngô the food ngô is very different not like this no like this no you have to write like this like the example ngô like that okay ngô ngô food how why we have to remember food okay so I just make example already like Kyom, right but for the food file that we learned today example okay cò we have the word this no I confused this one Can you spell it? Maybe you cannot because you do not yet learn this consonant. But I can tell you this not consonant, this vowel. This vowel is ow, ow. So if okay, no need to learn new consonant, but just example. We use this sa but you can spell it. All the word that you learn, right? Can you spell it? So có, right? Có and ngô. Like this is ngô, like right? Ngô. And then what? Sa right? And then K again. Cà ngạt, cà ngạt. We call cà ngạt. You see? Cà ngạt. But the word cà ngạt is no, the word of cà ngạt. Just example how to spell. But the word that we have is like I write in the beginning. It's word have cà ngào, cà ngào, cà ngào. Cà ngào is mean cà ngào. Cà ngào, what does it mean cà ngào? Sorry. Cà ngào is what is cà ngào? So what is mean in the word cà ngào? Cà ngào it mean cà ngào. People, cà ngào. This is cà ngào. Yes, that's why we need to remember the food of the consonant also, because most of Cambodia word use use er, use everything food and consonant and vowel. If you don't remember the food, you cannot pronounce the word that we call cà ngào. It's just one example. So for today, I tell you one word, one phrase that related we learn. Okay, maybe you remember. This is ខ្ញុំ right? ខ្ញុំ This is not yet learned, but just easy word you have to remember. Okay. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តក្ងោក ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តក្ងោក ខ្ញុំ I ចូលចិត្ត like I like ក្ងោក before right? Before. Oh, I'm not good at spelling English too. Before full stop. And this mark is full stop. I like before. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តក្ងោក So you can say what do you like? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វី តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វី You see the word this is a the call what we learn today តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីចូលចិត្តអ្វី this a the sound a right what do you like តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកង្កោប I like before okay so the phrase that I teach you today is ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកង្កោប I like before okay so I write down in the word these two so គៀគីគីអូយគី good maybe I no need to write it again but just make you see key key oh sorry key oh key គឺគឺងាងាងីងើងើ and the phrase ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តងោក I like before ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកង្កោប and if you want to make the question តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វី okay តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វីខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តកង្កោបតើអ្នកចូលចិត្តអ្វី please tell me ចឹងយើងជួបគ្នាសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយ so see you um next week next time okay I hope I can keep release the video every week I hope but yeah I'm so busy a lot but I try I want all of you can speak Khmer and you can visit Cambodia អូខេអរគុណច្រើនជំរាបលាបាយបាយ